Hey guys, welcome to Sarah's Jewelry Studio. So today I have a bead haul for you from Beadbox Bargains. So that is the sister site of Bargain Beadbox, which is a subscription that you can sign up to get monthly, and it's a surprise theme and you don't know what you're going to get. So this is the sister site to that. Now you don't have to be a member to purchase from this site. However, if you are, then you get a 30% off coupon that you can use as many times as you want throughout the month. So I am a subscription holder for the Bargain Bee Box, so I did use my 30% off today for this order. And I'm going to leave my link in the description below so that way if you want to sign up for it, that you can do that. And I have a promo code that you can use where when you sign up, then you would save $2 on your first month subscription. So instead of the $17.95 a month, it would just be $15.95 a month. And then, like I said, every month you would get this 30% off coupon that you can use to purchase from their sister site. So this is beadboxbargains.com, and that's where this haul is from. So stick around and check it out. Alright, so here we go on this haul video from Beadbox Bargains. And so every time that you place an order from them, they send you their business card. And on the back of their business card, they have a little extra surprise for you. And they always have a handwritten thank you on there. Same thing with on their packing slip. They have a handwritten thank you on there, which I think is a really nice touch. So this month, it looks like my bonus is some gold bugle beads. So I thought those were really nice. Haven't really done a whole lot of projects with bugle beads in them yet, but it's always good to add things to your stash that you might think you don't need, and then someday you find out that you do need it. So there you go. So those. Alright, so now to get into the order. So normally when I order from there, I give myself a budget of $20 to shop from there. Well, this month I gave myself a budget of $30, and I spent $29.20. I did get 33 items. It's not 33 types of items because I got 2 of a lot of things. So I want to say I had like 20, I don't know, 23 or something like that, different varieties of things. And I did save $10.86, so with my discount from being a subscription holder. Alright, so this is the first thing we have here. So this is 2 of them, and approximately a 16-inch strand of 6x4mm crystal rondelle beads in metallic platinum. So you can see these are super shiny, very, very sparkly. So here's just one. So I did get 2 of them. Like I said, I got 2 of all of the beads. Some of the findings I only got 1 of, but pretty much all the beads I got 2 of. Okay, so the next one is same thing, the 6x4mm crystal rondelles, and these are in aqua. So again, approximately 16-inch strand. I got 2 of them. So again, also very nice and sparkly. See, the light hits those nicely. And up next is, it says it's 100 piece plus of 4mm crystal bicone beads in dark sapphire AB. Got lots of sparkly things this order. Very sparkly. Alright, up next we have, again it says 100 plus pieces of 4mm crystal bicones in garnet AB. Very sparkly. So that's that one. Then up next, now this one, it says that they are round beads, but they don't look very round to me, but it does say that they are, the description is 100 pieces of 3mm check fire polished faceted round beads in the color sun. So I guess they always call them round when they're fire polish faceted rounds. I don't know, that just seemed weird to me, but I'm looking at the other ones and apparently that's just what they call them. So yeah, nice and sparkly. Oh, now I got them tangled up. That's alright. There you go. Alright, then the next one, I thought these were adorable and I had to have them. These are 50 pieces on each one of 6mm check faceted fire polished round glass beads, two-tone pink and blue. So I thought those were really cute. You can see how it's got the very light pink and the blue in there. Okay, then up next we have a 30-piece strand, and like I said, I got 2 of all the strands, of 7x9mm check faceted fire polished oval beads in a multicolor mix. I really like these different colors. I think it's a nice variety of colors. I wish I had more of this color here. That one's really nice. Looks like I only got 2 of those, that color. I like those a lot. Alright, and then up next we have, it says 50 pieces of 6mm check fire polish faceted round beads in light amethyst. Nice little light purple. And then again, same kind of bead, and this is in smoked topaz. Like I said, these are 2 of each strand, so this is how it actually comes, like that. And it says those are 50 pieces. Alright, so that was it for all the sparklies. So then up next, we have... I lost my place. Here we go. 50 pieces of 20x17mm nickel-free fish hook ear wires, antique silver finish. And all of these things so far were all pretty much $1. Let's see. These were $1.29. These were $1.09. And then everything else is 99 cents. So far, 99 cents each for each strand, and like I said, I have 2 of everything there. So nice, you know, standard quality ear wires that you would, you know, go to the store and pick up. So I got all these for $1, and then same thing. I got the same thing in gold. So you can see it's like a yellow gold, the same exact thing. And then I got these, which actually are what came in the March bargain bead box, which are these here, and these are they just call these hook ear wires, not fish hook ear wires. So, and then these are in the silver, and this was the antique silver, so you can see the difference. So there's those, and those are each 50 pieces of each. Okay, and then these were also in the March bargain bead box, which are these 2.5mm brass crimp beads in the silver finish. So you can see they actually have the numbers on them, like this is what you actually get in the bargain bead box. So I picked up some more of those. Alright, and then we have 2 15-inch strands here of 6mm rose quartz beads. And now these were $1.89 a strand. So, and again, like I said, I do have 2 of them here. So this is how they come, just 1. And then this is how many beads you get if you order 2. So I got them for $1.89, which is $3.78, and of course that's before the discount. So there you go. And then my favorite beads, they still had them. They had them the last time I ordered from there, and they still had them again this time, so I had to buy more, and I got 3 strands this time. And these are actually $1.99 a strand. I got 3 of them, and this is the Spectralite Labradorite. I love these because, as you can see, when you move it in the light, you can see how like the light catches inside of a bead. I think that's so awesome. I love it when it does that. Let's see them. Oops, put this one down in here. That's just really pretty. I love that. It's my favorite. And then these, I wasn't going to get them, and I passed them, and then I was like, you know what, I'm going back for them, because they're just too cute. These are, and I got 2 of them, so they actually come as 4 pieces of lampwork glass flounder fish beads, and it was $1 for 4 pieces. They're 17 by 22 millimeter. Look at those cute little faces. Look, he's smiling at you. There's a couple in here that are a little wonky-eyed, but they're just so cute. Look at this guy. He looks excited. This one's a little wonky-eyed. He lost his pupil on one side. So, just really super cute. And then actually that was part of why I got these, to pull out some of that orange in there. Alright, last two things are some more findings. And again, these are things that they would, you know, normally have with the bargain bead box. I'm pretty sure we got these before. These are 4mm 22 gauge steel jump rings in the antique bronze finish. So I had to get 2 of those, and they were 50 cents each. So for $1 I got 20 grams, which is, you know, a pretty good deal on jump rings. I mean, they're smaller ones, but I'm trying to, you know, build my supply of all things, and, you know, this is part of all things. Alright, and then the last thing here, and these also came in this month's bargain bead box, are these floral toggle clasps, so in antique silver. So I do actually have all of my collection done for the March box. So actually this is all of my stuff here, which is going to look a whole lot better when it's all displayed on, you know, the displays, and I go through and do my finished jewelry update. So you will see that. But yeah, so there you go. So this was my whole haul from Beadbox Bargains, and again, check in the description below if you want to sign up for the subscription, or if you just want to check it out. So go ahead and check that link out, and thanks for tuning in, and I hope you have a great night. Bye.